Welcome back once more to my channel, guys. Here is another latest update from the same route that we talked about in our last video. So the last time I gave you an update, it was from agro road reconstruction and the dualization. So today I'm giving you another update from his neighboring town, which is Nanka. So the dualization started from Amobia down to Ekulobia and down to Mbulugu and Doga. So today let's give you updates from the Nanka part. So like I said in my previous video, I told you that nothing much is going on in agro currently, except that part where after the Zinano down to Nise, that's where something is happening within the agro. So down to Nanka, immediately you enter Nanka, you start noticing a lot of changes, like all the marked structures are being removed currently in Nanka. And when you get across the Afonanka, you start noticing another bigger changes, which is the drainage system are being constructed currently at the both sides of the road. So but from that, welcome to Nanka after aglo, nothing much is going on there, but at least you will notice a lot of changes, like the removing of the structures, the clearing of other things. Like you got to know that yes, something is about to happen here. So living there after the Nero's stadium, living there, coming down after Nkwago Nanka, you start noticing a bigger changes, like the demolition of the I will not say illegal structures, maybe structures to pave way for the dualization, and then coming down to the Afonanka. In the Afonanka, a lot of clearing have been done is in that market. The Anglican church that that is very close to the express, their fence has been removed. I think they were the one that removed it by themselves and shift it to the proper place, then start rebuilding it. Then another building that is very beside it, the fence has been removed. I think they cover the compound with I think with zinc and the rest. So there are some shops opposite the church. The shops has been removed too. So leaving all those axes, moving down towards the Catholic church. There's one Catholic church down there, I think St. Anthony, that's his name. So those areas, a lot of construction are going on in those areas, like construction of drainage system is currently going on there. And I could not come down from my vehicle to get a clearer video for you guys, but all I can tell is that from the video, if you watch very well, the gutters is big enough, just that it looks somehow tiny, but it's very deep, but somehow tiny to me. Maybe the the type of flood that is happening in this area is not that huge enough to give it a more bigger, or maybe they are trying to maintain space, the type of space they got there. So that's why it's like that. I don't know, but I think those that are doing the job know the reason why they did it that way. But all I can say is that the drainage system is deep, but it kind of tiny, but not that tiny though. It's not that tiny, just kind of tiny, but deep enough to contain any flood that is happening within the area. So from there, heading down to that Catholic church side, drainage system has been constructed. moving down before the goodbye from Nanka. A lot of work is also going on there. All the structures that are that were marked are being removed. Most of them are being removed also, and the drainage system is about to commence there. The ones that has not received the construction, their owner is about to begin. So immediately we cross the boundary, you start noticing a lot of change from the Colombia side, which I will also be giving you updates in my next video. So this is all I have for you guys on this particular update from Nanka ongoing dualization and reconstruction. So Nanka, a lot is happening in Nanka than Aglo. Currently a lot is happening there. Like in my last video, I told you guys that I think the company handling that of Aglo and that of Nanka down to Colombia are different companies, and if you watch very well, you notice that the people handling Nanka down to Colombia are kind of fast than the people handling the Aglo down to Ninx side, and that is all I can say. Like I used to beg you guys in all my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the thumb up button to like this video. It's very necessary so that YouTube will keep on pushing the video to get to wider audience, and don't forget to share. Please guys, do this so you keep on supporting us. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day till we come again with another update. Like I used to say, updates here, but I will keep on bringing the latest. Thanks. Have a wonderful day. Peace.